Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're ready to make doing your hair a lot simpler, then you'll want to check out this 6-in-1 hot air dryer from Curlee. One of my favorite things about this tool is how easy it is to use. Now, who knew that hot air could make fantastic curls? No more twisting at the wrist and hurting your arm. You simply start at the base and just move your hand towards your head. It is absolutely amazing and so much fun to see. This hot air tool has 6 attachments. 1 volumizing brush, 2 smoothing brushes, 1 firm, 1 blow brush, which acts as a blow dryer, 1 2-in-1 auto wrap barrel, which is the curling iron option, and a blowout brush. The blowout brush and the curling iron tool are 2 of my favorite to use on a daily basis. This tool has an easy lock-in system. With a quick twist, it locks into place, and it has an easy release button by pushing and simply untwisting. Another neat thing that Curlee does for you is that they give you a beautiful box to display or keep all your tools in, which makes it easy for travel and makes an awesome gift set as well. This 6-in-1 hot air tool is extremely powerful and efficient. You will not be disappointed. So if you're ready to give your hair a luxurious makeover, then check out this 6-in-1 hot air tool from Curlee. And that's my point of view.